Hello, my name is Dirk Tharp and welcome to Sakrete How to Tackle. Today we're tackling pouring a slab. We've already excavated the area and now we've put 2 inches of gravel. It's necessary to put the gravel underneath before you do the slab to allow for drainage underneath the concrete. Today we're using Sakrete high strength concrete mix. It's a 4,000 psi mix. We're going to actually put it into a mixer and you're going to notice that we're measuring the water. There is nothing worse on concrete than standing there with the garden hose. I've already put in 2 gallons of water, a gallon per bag, and it's called head water. Go ahead and put most of your water in the mixer before you put any mix in the drum, and it really helps it mix better in the cycle. So that way we have a consistent mix, bag to bag, load to load. Why is that important? Because if you got it wet on one side and dry on the other, you have uneven set times. And the whole object of this exercise is to even out the set while maintaining the integrity of the concrete. So once the concrete is poured, we're going to screed it down into place, and then we're going to hand float it. And what that's doing is leaving the pores open so that water can escape the body of the concrete as it settles. This is known as bleed water, and it's a natural process. We're going to let the concrete bleed. You quit messing with it at that point, because the more you disturb it, the more you wake it up. Then as the water evaporates, we'll begin the floating process. That's toward the last steps where we're going to close the surface of the concrete, and then we're going to join it. The last step will be brooming it, and then we leave it alone. Let it alone for 24 hours and then pull the forms. My name is Dirk Tharp, and this has been Sakrete How to Tackle. Consider this slab tackled.